Hello guys, and then welcome to another Dancers online lecture. In this lecture today, we are going to look at a specific term, a specific amazing thing in biology that we call genomic imprinting. Now, genomic imprinting is a very common phenomenon that we believe is happening in our systems for one reason or the other, probably as a result or as a measure to prevent some syndromes, as a measure to prevent certain infections or diseases. So that's why genomic imprinting is a very important thing that we need to understand. But what is genomic imprinting itself? Now, genomic imprinting, as the term imprinting implies, is a kind of suppression of one gene and the other gene will be expressed. So in genomic imprinting, basically what happened, one gene is suppressed and one of the genes is expressed. So we see a kind of arm race here. That is the dominancy and then the recessiveness. So this one is going to be dominant and this one is going to be a recessive gene. But how does it occur and what are some of the examples where we normally see this genomic imprinting? Now, one of the most common examples would be the acquisition of X and Y chromosomes. Now, we know that in the males normally have X and Y chromosomes, and for the female, female normally have X chromosomes. Now, during this process of meiosis, that is the separation of genetic materials, and during the embryonic development, how does these chromosomes happens to pair until some of them will have XY chromosomes and some of them will have double X chromosomes. That is a perfect explanation of genomic imprinting. Now here what happened is during meiosis here, we normally see that one of the genes here, for example Y, is going to be suppressed and this one is going to be expressed. So this is from the male. Now from the female, one of them, let's say this one is going to be expressed and this one is going to be suppressed. So at the end of the day, you will see that this offspring will end up having X chromosome and X chromosome again, all of them expressed. So this will end up being a female offspring. So in the case of being a baby, what is going to happen is, a baby boy rather, what is going to happen is, this one is going to be suppressed and this one is going to be expressed. So here it doesn't matter since both of them are X. So you will see this other offspring will be X and Y. It will have X and Y chromosomes, both of them will be expressed. So you end up having a baby boy. So basically, this is how genomic imprinting is all about. It is a process where one of the gene will be suppressed and then the other gene will be expressed. So it's a kind of a gene regulation mechanism. And this is done in order to prevent certain syndromes from being shown up in the offspring. And in order to control that, genomic imprinting is really a necessary mechanisms that genes normally do. But what is the overall secret behind genomic imprinting? The question lines is in our hands. We need to do a lot of research since not much thing is being understood in this particular area. So thank you so much. Enjoy the video, and any question that you might have, feel free to get back to me via my YouTube channel or via my regular email address that can be accessed at my YouTube channel. Until then, enjoy the video and take care.